Today we are discussing the types of networks. Well, if I briefly tell you, we are only aware about the three types. One is LAN, MAN and WAN. Any of the book you are referring, they will tell you about the LAN, MAN and WAN. But today in the market there are not only LAN, MAN, WAN. It is NAN, BAN. So many networks are there. Just like if I say personal area network, near me network, body area network, then campus area network, home area network, many networks are there. So today we will discuss all these networks and give you all possible networks which are there in the market. So we will start with the smallest network and keep on going till the largest network. So first of all we are learning which is the smallest network is the BAN, BAN. So the first thing we are learning is BAN. Now BAN stands for Body Area Network. Here we are having body area network. That means some kind of body is involved. Now, body means obviously the human body because we are the human and we are interacting with each other. So our body is involved. Now, if I give you some examples, then for sure you will understand what is the body area network. Now, everybody is having the smart watches today. So those smart watches which you are wearing on your hands and they are connected to some of the devices and they are touching your body. Then second one is the medical devices. You have seen that the ECG devices or any other devices which are going to measure your heartbeat, those medical devices which you wear sometimes, maybe in the medical room or maybe in your band also you are having the ECG devices, heart measure devices or the fitness band. We know that today many companies are offering the fitness band, just like MI, Apple. So many companies are there in the market. Those bands, if you wear, they will tell you how much you have walked in the morning. Okay. So all these bands or the smart watches and medical devices which are touching your body and they are connected with some of or kind of device, they are called the body area network because they are in the close proximity to your body. So if any device touching your body and communicating, that is called the body area network. So this is the smallest network possible. Afterward we are having the next device, or we can say that the next network is the PAN. We say it as PAN. PAN means personal area network. Now, if I talk about many of books are mentioning that PAN is the smallest network until the ban was not into the market. So PAN, personal area. We know that there is a personal area of us in which we talk, we communicate, we handshake with the people. Now that area is approximately up to 10 meter, from 1 meter up to 10 meter. Now personal area network, we can take the example of Bluetooth. So Bluetooth how? We are having the Bluetooth headphones. We are having the Bluetooth connectivity with our friends. So any device which is having the Bluetooth nearby us and we are communicating with that in few meters, that is called the personal area network. And this personal area network is up to 10 meter starting from 1 meter. Just like if I talk about the TV remotes or maybe some of your woofers which are connected with your mobile, so everything is with the help of Bluetooth. So that particular smallest network which we are having is the personal area network. Here it is also mentioning a table in which the distance is present and specific name or the location is present, then the example is present. Now, these are some popular names which are there, just like personal area network. We know that personal area network we have studied, the name is PAN. So this is the PAN. Now it is into the square meter. Square meter means very small place is there and starting from 1 meter. From 10 meter we are having the room. So below that we are having the square meter. 1 meter means the personal network starting from 1 meter and below the 10 meters is having the range. Now the next device which we are having, or we can say that the next network which we are having is the NAN. So the next network which we are having is NAN. NAN. Well, in the books you will find its full form, that is near me network. But you can say for the simpler purpose just like near area network. So near area network or near me network, both are the full form of NAN. Well, many of the people are doing the job in the companies. And in the company, you have seen that there is a conference table. Now, on that conference table, there are many devices which are present, just like the laptops are there or PCs are there. And now they are connected to each other for the communication purpose. Now, on that table, the devices which are connected, so we can mention that conference table devices. So those devices which are connected near to you, so they comes under the network that is called the conference table devices or called the network as NAN, near area network. So this is one of the category which is somewhere larger than the PAN. Now the next type of network which we are having is the HAN. So talking about HAN, HAN. Now that is called the home area network. Well, this is very interesting network which is derived from the LAN. Actually, all these networks are derived from the LAN because these are now so much popular. Earlier, there was used to be LAN, but today we are having so many networks. So, HAN, home area network. You are living at your home and you have seen that there are so many devices they are connected. Now, if I write those devices, just like talking your smartphone, then afterward, if I say the computer, your laptop, your LED TV, it is not only LED TV, it can be another TV, okay, but it is having the Wi-Fi facility or the network facility, or your game console. So these are all the devices which are there at your home. Means your home is having a Wi-Fi and you are connecting your mobile phones, your computer, your laptop or your LED TV and the game console in that particular home. So that is the home area network. Many times you are having a Wi-Fi at your home and your LED is connected with the Wi-Fi and your mobile is also connected. From your mobile, you are playing the YouTube songs in your TV. That is also the example of home area network because these are the devices which are present at the home. So that is called home area network or HAN. Now the next one after the HAN is the network which we know, that is LAN, LAN. So now we are having is the LAN. LAN is very much popular, which is local area network. If I talk about the local area network, we are very well aware. In that network, we are going to use the switches, bridges, and hubs, these devices which we are using, and we are connecting the different devices up to 1 kilometer. So that is the LAN, local area network. Means you assume that we are going to connect the building. So that building is coming under the local area network. After that, we are having the next category, which is called the CAN. Now, that CAN is campus area network. Well, actually, the campus area network is the extension of the LAN. Just like if I say there is a college and there is one building, we know that that is connected is called the LAN. But let us suppose that in the college there are 4 5 buildings, or I assume the example of university. So in the university, let us suppose the IP University or Delhi University, many buildings are there and those are connected with each other in some kind of network. So that is a complete campus. So that is called CAN. So we can write here university. So the example of CAN is university. Now parallelly you can watch here in the table the LAN is present local area network. So there we can say it is LAN. Now here it is mentioning the three further category. One is the building and into 100 meter. Means starting from 100 meter, it is the approximately minimum. Means that should be the minimum. Okay. Then CAN, you can see that the campus area network we have already discussed means of the university. So this particular block comes under the CAN, campus area network. Although campus area network, home area network, they all are the part of LAN. So you can see that the room is there which is of starting from 10 meter because below 10 meter we are having the PAN. So starting from 10 meter approximately more than that but less than 100 meter we are having a room and that room is the home area network. So HAN and CAN, they are the part of LAN. Actually, if somewhere we are having less than LAN, that is the HAN. HAN means home area network. If you are having more than LAN, that is CAN. CAN means campus area network. So these are some of the categories of the network. So the next type of network we are having is MAN, which is Metropolitan area network. Well, this is the combination of multiple LANs. When we are going to connect the multiple LANs, then this is called the MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, where LAN and MAN both are same in terms of all the topologies. Means all the topologies we are talking about: MASH, star, bus, ring, hybrid. These topologies are same for LAN and MAN. All the devices talking about switch, bridge, hub, gateway, they all are same for LAN and MAN. Only the difference is the kilometer, means how much the distance is covered. Obviously, the LAN is smaller than the MAN, so less distance is covered in the LAN, but in the MAN, more distance is covered. So here the table is also showing the metropolitan area network, and we are mentioning it as MAN, and is going to connect the city, that is up to 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer is approximately starting, and above that we can connect. So MAN, it is going to connect the city. Afterward, we are having the next type of the network, that is WAN. So talking about the WAN, it is called the wide area network. In our previous lectures, we have already discussed the thing that the router is the WAN device. When we are connecting the different country together, just like India from America we are communicating, or even in the country we are communicating, whole country we have just connected together, that is also the WAN, wide area network. The table is also mentioning, you can see that wide area network, that is WAN. It is the biggest network, but yes, not as big as the internet. So WAN is also having two further category. One, you are connecting the country, means the country 100 kilometer. Continent. Continent means you are going to connect the different countries and the continent together, that is the 1,000 kilometer. Now, who is the largest network in the type of network? Who is the largest network? The largest network is the internet. So the biggest network we are having is the internet, and that internet is connecting the whole planet. Everybody is connected. Although there are some firewalls which are applied, we know that every country you can access the data of all the countries from your browser. You can go to any of the video from the YouTube. But yes, many of the time we are not finding. Why? Because the firewalls are applied. The countries are having the permissions. Means India can watch these videos of this country, or they can access these websites of this country. So that is the firewall permissions given in between the different countries. Otherwise, everybody is connected. So if I give you the brief about the types of network, so first of all we are having is the BAN, which is the smallest network. BAN stands for body area network. All those devices which are connected to our body, like smartwatches, medical device, and fitness band, comes under body area network. Then afterward we are having is the PAN, which is personal area network. All the Bluetooth enabled devices, just like our earphones or hands free, these are comes under PAN. Then above that we are having is the NAN, which is near me network or near area network. The conference table devices which are connected comes under that. Then afterward we are having is HAN, which is home area network. In the home, you are connecting the game console, LED TV, computer, smartphone together, so that comes under HAN. Afterward, we are having is the local area network, means you are connecting one building, that is the home area network. Then CAN, you are connecting multiple building of the university, that is comes under campus area network. Afterward, we are having is the MAN, we are connecting up to the city, means many buildings are there connecting the city, MAN. Then WAN, we are connecting the country together. And the largest network above the any of the network is the internet. So internet is the largest network. So with the help of this network types, we have discussed all possible types of networks which are there in the market. But in the many of books, you will find only three or four types of network, and we have discussed all the network types.